like, oh, okay, this is my base CV. Analyze this CV against these roles, right? So you already have a benchmark to what you are eligible, what you are not. That's why building a base CV is so important. So guys and girls, welcome to the show. What show? All right. In today's episode of whatever Thursday, I don't know, I'm going to show you how fast and accurate and quick you can use Claude extension to scrape Google jobs, or actually any jobs, by the way. This example, I'm using jobs from Google portal, and here we go. Let's jump in. I target maximum 5 minutes. Hopefully maximum 5 minutes. You will have everything in this video. Let's go. Again, if you haven't seen the first video, I will link it here, I guess. In the last video I said here, but it's actually here because it's a mirror opposite what I see here on the screen. So I think it should be here. Anyway, you can check it, how to install Claude extension. Again, the only caveat, you need to have at least pro license to use it, and then how to use that extension to scrape your updated LinkedIn to help create a base CV. That's it. Remember the keyword, base CV, with all your experiences listed, right? That's it. Two things you need: LinkedIn updated and a Claude paid plan, right? To have this extension. Anyway, let's jump in. You head to Google Careers, right? So it should be like google.com/about/careers. And then what you can do is either you can manually search for any specific jobs that you want, any specific roles that you want, or what you can do, you can simply come to the extension and you can simply type in scrape all the available listings on this page with all the details, including minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, about the job, and if possible tech stack. So tech stack is actually a very important thing, the things that you need to have, right? So what's the target? And also download the JSON file. I need to run it against my CV to find the perfect fit. Now, what happened is it took around 20 minutes to scrape all the listing, right? It really took time to scrape all the listing, and then it provided a consolidated JSON file with all the details, preferred qualification, tech stack, and whatever Google asks, right? It provided everything in that documentation. So what you do, you come to the Claude's chat window or the project where you are building the CVs, where you have already built the base CV. You drag and drop that JSON file. Remember, there is one crucial step. What you need to mention in the prompt, that it has to build based on Google's guideline. So out of 55 listings, it has scraped. Here you can see that there are tier 1 jobs where I am eligible, right? 2 perfect fit, and 1 is a stretch. So I'm eligible for like 3 out of 55, right? So that's where the base CV comes in. So when you already have that base CV provided, you will have a benchmark, a target to act upon, to have like, oh, okay, this is my base CV. Analyze this CV against these roles, right? So you already have a benchmark to what you are eligible, what you are not. That's why building a base CV is so important. Ultimately, it designed 2 CVs, and here it says that both CV follow Google published resume guidelines, reverse chronological format, Calibri font, clean ATS safe structure. So there is no table, no image, no nothing, right? With measurable impact bullets where it's possible. Here you can see like just proper like format with summary, technical skills, professional experience, which is the most important part, projects and education, and everything is mentioned. So yeah, that's how you build, I guess, the ATS friendly CVs. What I think, this is not only streamlining your position, your power of application. Previously what you would have done is like, type based on the requirements and formulate the CVs and all these things. Here you are having your CV creation automated. So what do? You just change few stuff. Like here they didn't provide my Credly account, right? So I copy pasted from another CV to have my Credly account put in. So anyway, so that's the target, to streamline the process, to make it easier for us, right? Treat this as a tool, streamline the process, right? That's the main target. Streamline the process, and I wish you good luck in the journey. Cheers, have fun. I still have like 1 more hour to go out, and I'm gonna hit to the gym and then go for biking. See you next time. Bye bye. My dishwasher is beeping. Yeah, bye.